guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I want to show you how you can achieve this 30-minute crochet look using old cornrows. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this beat up cornrows, sis. So what we're gonna do is we're going to revive this style right here into a gorgeous look. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil mixture and make sure my scalp is nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to be using this Lulutress 3X Kinky twist. This is 12 inches and it comes 45 strands in one pack, so I'm using 3 packs, guys. I love my hair full. You guys already know what it is, but if you don't want them too full, you can use about 2 and that will be enough. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to be using my crochet needle, just a basic crochet needle, sis. So what you're gonna do is you're going to be going through the loop exactly the way I'm doing, and then once you're taking them out, you're going to be going all the way to the corner of the twist, place it on the hook, and then pull them out exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. You're just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet braid. As you guys can see, it has a very tiny loop, right? So I'm just gonna place it on the hook and then close it and pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna pull the whole crochet needle out. I'm just going to put it through the loop again, okay? And then I'm going to go all the way to the corner of the crochet, and then I'm going to place it on the hook again and then pull it out. So exactly the way I'm saying, very easy. Oh my gosh, beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. So I'm going to show you guys again. So you're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're not going to pull it all the way out. You're going to go in again, go in the loop, and then go all the way down to the corner of the crochet twist and place it on the hook and pull it out. I'm just going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take my crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. I'm just gonna go through the loop again, sis. And then I'm going to go all the way to the corner of the crochet braid, crochet twist or whatever, and just place it on the hook and then pull it out. This is an easy technique that you can do if your crochet twist loop is really small, just like the way this one is, and you do not feel like doing a whole lot of work. Because listen, this is quick, this is easy, this is fast. Once you get a hang of this technique right here, sis, you are going to be rolling on this crochet twist. But while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, the OGs, the ones that are subscribing right now. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and happy Easter. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I love the crochet twists because it is very light, it is very easy to install, and it actually looks really nice and cute. You're going to take your crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're not going to pull it all the way out. You're going to go in again, go in the loop, and then go all the way down to the corner of the crochet twist and place it on the hook and pull it out. That way it is easy to install. That way you don't have to force your fingers in, because as I say, this crochet hair has a very small loop, which actually makes it hard for you to use your fingers. So this technique right here makes it easy. Once you get a hang of this technique right here, I'm telling you, sis, you are good. You are going to be installing this crochet twist, crochet braids, or whatever kind of crochet. I'm just gonna show you guys again. So it's the same technique. So what I can advise you to do is you are just going to space them out, you know, once you're installing the back and the sides, okay? Because if really you're not trying to pull them up, there is no need for you to worry about, you know, how beat up the lines are. to take your crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're not going to pull it all the way out. You're going to go in again, go in the loop, and then go all the way down to the corner of the crochet twist and place it on the hook and pull it out. This is all you can do to install this twist. As you guys can see, my corners have been in, oh my gosh, for a while now. I was like, yo, I want to do something, you know, show my sisters that if you have some old corners, you don't have to take them down. You can do other hairstyles that can help you keep your corners in longer. So I'm about to keep these corners in for another week. Okay, so yes, sis, so if you don't have to take them down, you can do other styles. And I just wanted to show you, you don't have to use color 613 like me, but sis, if you are trying to be adventurous with some color, I mean, go ahead and do the 613, because sister, when I tell you I am loving this color already, even before I am done, okay? I love wearing my side part, so you already know what it is. I have to make sure my side part looks really nice and legit, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go very close together when I get to the parting where I want my hair to be parted at, okay? So I'm going to go very close together, you know, make sure they're really nice and close. That way it looks like, you know, I have individual braids or whatever the situation is, okay? Gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure I lay these baby hairs, because sister, we're about to be looking cute out in the streets. So I'm using this brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now, and make sure these baby hairs are laid. And then I'm going to be using my styling strips just to make sure everything is nice and laid. And baby, when I tell you this crochet twist came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this hair right about now. I cannot believe this came all the way through. I am loving the color. I am loving the way these cornrows are holding up. I mean, come on, who's gonna know that I have some old raggedy cornrows under this twist right here? Who is going to know? Who? And you know me, I gotta throw in some styles here and there, baby. When I tell you the styles are coming all the way through as well. I've never had this color before and I love it. I am loving it. I'm actually like, oh, I cannot believe this came all the way through. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. And you know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here I am adding these few gold accessories here and there. And baby, they're taking the style all the way to boom, 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 100. And let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this look right here. This is easy, this is light, this is actually very quick to install. 30 minutes, you are done. I mean, nothing can beat that, sis, okay? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and happy Easter once again. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 500K, because baby, at this point it is up from here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let me just pause this video and make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification bell as well, because sis, you don't want to miss out on any uploads that I'm about to drop, okay? So you want to be the first person to try these looks, to share with your cousin, your bestie, and your aunt, because sharing is caring, sis. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.